Hello and welcome to biology tutorial #ubio. In this video we talk about national eligibility cum entrance test 10 top important question on ecology, environment and population topics. If you miss the previous question set, then go to the channel and watch or search for my channel only #ubio. Either tap to the link in description box and watch the previous practice set. So now let's start today's topic. Question number 1. When birds are equal to deaths, it is called plateau stage, exponential growth stage, early growth stage, acceleration stage. The answer is plateau stage, because it means the stationary phase. Finally, growth rate becomes stable because mortality and natality rates becomes equal to each other, so there is zero growth rate. Question number 2. The growth of a population without limit at its maximal rate and also that rates of immigration and emigration are equal, then it is called A. Carrying capacity, B. Biotic potential, C. Positive growth, D. Negative growth. Here the answer is B. Biotic potential. Biotic potential is the maximum capacity of a population to reproduce under ideal condition of environment. Next, question number 3. Gauss' principle of competitive exclusion state that option A. More abundant species will exclude the less abundant species through competition. Option B. Competition for the same resource exclude species having different food preference. Option C. No two species can occupy the same niche identifiably for the same limiting resource. Option D. Larger organisms exclude smaller ones through competition. Here the answer is option C. In ecology, the competitive exclusion principle referred to the Gauss law is a proposition named for George Gauss that two species competing for the same limited resources cannot exist at constant population values. Normally, if you know the niche overlapping, the question will be solved as simple. Next, question number 4. When does the growth rate of a population following the logistic model equals to 0? The logistic model is given as dndt equals to rn 1 minus n by k. Here the option is A. When n by k exactly 1, B. When n nears the carrying capacity of the habitat, option C. When n by k equals to 0, and option D. When the death rate is greater than the birth rate. We know this answer simply. The answer is A. When n by k is exactly 1. Next, question number 5. The population of an insect species shows an explosive increase in number during rainy season, followed by its disappearance at the end of the season. What does this show? Option A. A-shaped or sigmoid growth of this insect. Option B. The food plants mature and die at the end of the rainy season. Option C. Its population growth curve is of J type, and option D. The population of its predators increases enormously. Here the answer is simply its population growth curve is of J type. During a rainy season, food, water, etc. will found in a large quantity. So number of insects will increase first, but after the rain, food and water will not be obtained in adequate quantity. So insect will be die very fast. So we look at the J types graphs. Question number 6. Stoppage of reproduction in an organism by creating hurdle in its biology or physiology or its destruction by use of another organism is known as predation, competition, biological control, physiological control. Here the answer is biological control, because biological control methods include the using natural predators of pests, using resistance, varieties, crop rotation, etc. Next, question number 7. Plants which produce characteristics pneumatophore and shows vivipary belongs to mesophyte, halophytes, psammophytes and hydrophytes. Here the answer is halophytes, because it's a ecological adaptation part question. We know these halophytes are tolerant plants that grows in soil or water of high salinity, coming into contact with saline water through its roots or by salt spray, such as in mangrove plants with their pneumatophore. Next, question number 8. The age pyramid with broad base indicates high percentage of old individuals, low percentage of young individuals, a stable population, high percentage of young individuals. Here the answer is option D, the high percentage of young individuals, because the age pyramid with broad base, it's mean triangular pyramids with their stages. Look at the diagram and you will get of this question answer. Next, question number 9. Which one of the following population interaction is widely used in medical science for the production of antibiotics? Commensalism, mutualism, parasitism, amensalism. We know this, it's a simple question. The example of amensalism, Penicillium notatum, either Juglans nigra. Next, question number 10. The relation between species richness and area is described on a logarithmic scale by the equation where S species richness, A area, Z slope of the line, it's mean regression coefficient, C y-intercept. It indicates that species area relationship. We know this, the Alexander von Humboldt formula, S equals to C into A to the power Z. If we put log both sides for logarithm scale, then we get the answer log S equals to log C add Z log A. So here the answer is option C, log S equals to log C plus Z log A. Next day we will discuss on another reproduction part in plant section. The chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure hit subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss an update on biology tutorial #ubio. Also comment which types of topics question do you want. Thanks for watching. See you again.